The Fujifilm GFX100RF stands out as a groundbreaking compact medium-format camera, challenging conventional notions of size and capability in professional photography. Equipped with a massive 102-megapixel medium-format sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with a wider dynamic range and higher resolution compared to full-frame sensors. Its fixed 35mm lens, equivalent to a 28mm in 35mm format, offers versatility for various photographic styles. Despite its high-end specifications, the GFX100RF maintains a compact and lightweight design, weighing only 735 grams. It features a 5.78 million electronic viewfinder, a 3.2-inch touchscreen display, and a range of mechanical dials for intuitive control over settings like zoom, exposure compensation, and ISO. The camera's retro-inspired design, with metallic color options, pays homage to classic cameras while incorporating modern features like micro HDMI, USB-C, and microphone/headphone jacks. The Fujifilm GFX100RF redefines the possibilities of medium-format photography, offering professionals a powerful and portable tool for capturing stunning images.